Metalwork hand driving tools. Metalwork hand driving tools is a basic science and technology topic. Lesson focus. Description of metalwork hand driving tools. 1. Description of metalwork hand driving tools. 2. Examples of metalwork hand driving tools. 3. Care and maintenance of metalwork hand driving tools. 4. Evaluation questions. Description of metalwork hand driving tools. Metalwork hand driving tools are tools used for forcing in and forcing out materials such as nails, pins, and screws in and out of metal workpiece. Examples of metalwork hand driving tools. 1. Hammer. Uses of hammer. 1. Hammer is used to force in nails in metals. Hammer is used to beat sheet metal and pipes to shape. Number 2. Hammer is used to beat sheet metal and pipes to shape. 2. Mallets. Uses of mallet. 1. Mallet is used to bend metal edges. Uses of mallet. Mallet is used to bend metal edges. 3. Spanner. Uses of spanner. Spanner is used to tighten and loosen nuts and bolts. Spanner is used to tighten and loosen nuts and bolts. 4. Screwdriver. Uses of screwdriver. 1. Screwdrivers are used to force in and out of metal. Screwdrivers are used to force in screws and force out screws out of metal. Punches. Number 5. Uses of punches. 1. Punches are used to force in nails in narrow space. Punches are used to force in nails in narrow space. Care and maintenance of metalwork hand driving tools. 1. Dusting and cleaning of tools. 2. Oiling and greasing tool joints. 3. Sharpening of sharp edges. 4. Tightening of tools, bolts, and nuts. Tightening of tools, bolts, and nuts. 5. Keeping tools in proper places. Keeping tools in proper place. Evaluation questions. 1. Name 3 metalwork hand driving tools. 2. Describe the functions of the hand driving tools listed. 3. Draw 3 metalwork hand driving tools. 4. Explain 5 ways on how to maintain and care for metalwork hand driving tools. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning into our channel. Click subscribe button if you are tuning into this channel for the first time, so you always get notification when new videos are released in this channel. Click subscribe button on the down right side and also click on bell icon too. Thank you for watching.